Dobar dan I dobrodošli. Hello and welcome to Our Croatian Learning Journey. Join us as we navigate our way to learning the Croatian language. We will share with you lessons we used and tips that we have found helpful to try and understand Croatian better. We hope this will help you on your journey too. To be or not to be. How do we say this in Croatian? In the singular form, we have the first, second, and third person. Ja, ti, on, ona, ono. And for the plural, first, second, and third person, mi, vi, vi, oni, one, ona. Okay, we'll now add the verb to be. This verb is a bit confusing as it has different forms depending on how it is used. The word itself is biti, but in the present tense it bears no resemblance to that. Like in English you would say I am, not I be. You can see its form in the past and future tense, but more about them in another video. You will see there are two forms, the enclitic or short form and the long form, and there are specific times when each of these forms are used. Through the videos it will become clearer how and when to use them. In Croatian, if the subject is obvious, then you don't need to include it. The way I tried to figure this out was to kind of equate this in English with I am versus the shortened form I'm. To illustrate this a bit clearer, let's add the word good. So some include the subject and others will have the subject omitted, then just the verb and the word good. And of course you will notice the difference in Croatian. The word good comes first when there is no subject, because again there are rules on word order and the enclitic always comes second in the sentence. Dobro sam. Ti si dobar. Dobar je. Dobro je. Dobro je. Mi smo dobri. Vi ste dobri. Dobri su. So now we can say I am. Let's look at how to say I am not. As you can see, all you need to do is take the enclitic form and add ni. Nisam. Nisi. Nije. 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 Nismo. Niste, nisu. Just like the first episode, we are going to learn some more new words, have a quiz, and watch the video of Josip Horvat's family where you can try to pick these words. In this video, we are going to learn he, she, I have, she has, he has, I like, she likes, he likes, car, motorbike, bird, and cat. In Croatian grammar, word endings change, which we will learn in other videos. In this section, we will just cover the basics and you will see some variations in the conversation that follows. He and she are third-person pronouns, which we saw before. If the subject is obvious, they are often omitted, but for this exercise we will include them for he and she. He is on, she is ona. I have, she has, and he has are variations of the verb imati. I have is ja imam. And again, because the subject is normally obvious, it is omitted. It is also a bit like I've and is just imam. He has and she has both use the same verb form ima. So he has is on ima and she has is ona ima. The verb voliti, or to like, follows a similar pattern. I like is ja volim, or just volim. He likes is on voli, and she likes is ona voli. Car and motorbike are similar to English and both have short and long forms. Car is auto or automobil, and motorbike is motor or motorcykel. The word for bird is ptica and cat is mačka. Let's put these into sentences and then see them in a conversation. If the word ending changes, the original word will be in brackets. I have a car. Imam auto. He has a motorbike. On ima motor. She has a cat. Ona ima mačku. I like the bird. Volim pticu. She likes the car. Ona voli auto. He likes the motorbike. On voli motor. Now we'll go to the park. Bok, Marina.
Bok, Mrko.
Kako si?
Ja sam dobro. Kako se?
Dobro sam. Hvala.
Ovo je moj prijatelj.
Zovem se Tomislav.
Dobar dan, Tomislav. Kako si?
Dobro sam.
Imam novi motor. Volite li motosikle?
On voli motori, ali ja volim auti.
Volim motore, ali imam auto. Imam mačku, a I ona voli motore.
Ja imam pticu, a on voli auti.
Ja imam mačku, a ona ima mali auto. A ja imam pticu, a on ima mali motor. So let's try a quiz now on what you have just learned before moving on to the listening practice. He. On. She. Ona. I have. Imam. She has. Ona ima. He has. On ima. I like. Volim. She likes. Ona voli. He likes. On voli. Car. Auto. Motorbike. Motor. Bird. Ptica. Cat. Mačka. Now we are going to watch Josip Horvat tell us about his family. It will play twice. The first time there will be no subtitles, so try and listen for as many of the words you have just learned as you can. The second time there will be subtitles in Croatian and in English to help you see the words used in sentences and also how the word forms change.
Zdravo, zovem se Josip Horvat. Imam motor. Volim voziti motor po našem prekrasnom selu. Živim u ovoj ulici u zelenoj kući. Obitelj Jurić živi u susjedstvu u žutoj kući s garažom. To je kuća moje sestre. Dođite I upoznajte moju obitelj. Pozdrav Ivane. Kako si? I ja sam dobar. To je Ivan Jurić. On je prijatelj moje kćeri Vesne. On je I moj nečak. To je moja kćer Vesna. Vesna voli pjevati I plesati. Ide u školu s Ivanom. Idu u školu autobusom. Ona ima pticu. Ptica se zove Severina. Severina voli plesati uz glazbu. Severina je smiješna ptica. Želite li piće? Ovo je moja žena, Ana Horvat. Ana pravi limunadu. Limunada je jako lijepa. Ja bih limunadu, molim te. Hvala ti, draga. Moja žena radi u uredu. Ona ima auto. Voli se voziti do parka i sjediti uz jezero. Čujem Nikolu kako zove svoju mamu. Mama je u kuhinji. Nikola je žedan. Nikola bi htio limunadu. Ovo je Nikolin pas. Zove se Med jer je slatka kao medicina. Pas voli trčati u parku. Pas voli loviti loptu. Nikola se voli igrati sa psom. Pas prati Nikolu u školu. Ona također voli loviti mačku. Mačka se zove San. Ona je Markova mačka. Zovu je San jer puno spava. Bok, Marko, ovo je moj sin, Marko. Vozi bicikl do škole. Radi u supermarketu poslije škole. Marko voli igrati nogomet. Vikendom moja obitelj ide u park. Ovo je moja sestra, Branka. Bok, Branka. Ovo je njen muž, Darko. Dobar dan, Darko, ovo je njihova kćer, Ines. Ona je moja nečakinja. Bok, Ines. A ovo je njihov sin, Ivan. On je moj nečak. Bok, još jednom Ivane. A oni su moji roditelji. Zovemo ih baka i djed. Dobar dan, baka i djed. Ovo je cijela moja obitelj. Zdravo, zovem se Josip Horvat. Imam motor. Volim voziti motor po našem prekrasnom selu. Živim u ovoj ulici u zelenoj kući. Obitelj Jurić živi u susjedstvu u žutoj kući s garažom. To je kuća moje sestre. Dođite i upoznajte moju obitelj. Pozdrav, Ivane. Kako si? I ja sam dobar. To je Ivan Jurić. On je prijatelj moje kćeri Vesne. On je i moj nečak. To je moja kćer Vesna. Vesna voli pjevati i plesati. Ide u školu s Ivanom. Idu u školu autobusom. Ona ima pticu. Ptica se zove Severina. Severina voli plesati uz glazbu. Severina je smiješna ptica. Želite li piće? Ovo je moja žena, Ana Horvat. Ana pravi limunadu. Limunada je jako lijepa. Ja bih limunadu, molim te. Hvala ti, draga. Moja žena radi u uredu. Ona ima auto. Voli se voziti do parka i sjediti uz jezero. Čujem Nikolu kako zove svoju mamu. Mama je u kuhinji. Nikola je žedan. Nikola bi htio limunadu. Ovo je Nikolin pas. Zove se Med jer je slatka kao medicina. Pas voli trčati u parku. Pas voli loviti loptu. Nikola se voli igrati sa psom. Pas prati Nikolu u školu. Ona također voli loviti mačku. Mačka se zove San. Ona je Markova mačka. Zovu je San jer puno spava. Bok, Marko, ovo je moj sin, Marko. Vozi bicikl do škole. Radi u supermarketu poslije škole. Marko voli igrati nogomet. Vikendom moja obitelj ide u park. Ovo je moja sestra, Branka. Bok, Branka. Ovo je njen muž, Darko. Dobar dan, Darko, ovo je njihova kćer, Ines. Ona je moja nečakinja. Bok, Ines. A ovo je njihov sin, Ivan. On je moj nečak. Bok, još jednom Ivane. A oni su moji roditelji. Zovemo ih baka i djed. Dobar dan, baka i djed. Ovo je cijela moja obitelj.
Okay, so in Croatian, there's a few different ways of greeting people. Some are formal, some informal, and then there's some regional differences. Croatian differs a bit from English in this regard. In English, it's generally accepted to be okay to say hi or hello to an elder. In Croatian, that is not the case, and there is a definite line of respect where a formal greeting is expected. So, if we begin with formal, these are used when you are speaking to someone in a senior position to yourself. So, you'd use this if you're talking to elders or doctors or even going into a shop. Sometimes with peers, though, you might also use it. Like in English, you might say good morning instead of hi. Good morning is dobro jutro. This is used until about 11 a.m. Good day or good afternoon is dobar dan. This is used from about 11 a.m. until about 6 p.m. And good evening is dobra večer. This is used from about 6 p.m. onwards. Now let's try saying these. So, students, good morning.
Dobro jutro.
Dobro jutro.
Dobre jutro.
How do you say good day? Students?
Dobar dan.
Dobar dan.
Dobar dan.
And good evening? Students?
Dobra večer.
Dobro večer.
Dobre večer.
What if you wanted to say hi to your friends and family? Again, there are a few ways of saying hi or hello. Zdravo. This is used to say hello. As an adjective, zdravo also means healthy. Ciao, which can also be used for goodbye. Bog or bog. Bog means God. So the greeting roughly means go with God. Bog and bog are just different pronunciations for God. It is also used for goodbye. A and hi sound a bit like in English. Pozdrav is usually used for goodbye, but in some regions it is also used as hi. How would you say hi to another student?
Ciao.
Bok.
A.
And what about saying hi to your sister or brother?
Bok.
Hey.
Ciao.
How would you say hi to a friend?
E.
Ciao.
Bok.
What about a parent?
Zdravo.
Hey.
Bok.
But if you were greeting a grandparent, you would first address them formally, then continue with informal speech. So, to greet a grandparent?
Dobar dan.
Dobro jutro.
Dobre večer.
So, now it's time to leave and we want to say goodbye. Common formal ways are do viđenja for goodbye, which can be written as either one word or two. Saying goodbye at night, to leave to go home or going to bed, is laku noć. Informal ways of saying goodbye are vidimo se or see you, čujemo se or see you but on the phone. It literally means hear you, a bit like talk to you later. To say just bye, you can use pozdrav or zbogom. To friends and family, you can use bok, hello and goodbye, ciao, hello and goodbye, adio, and again, these will be heard more in some areas than others because of the regional differences. Another one I have heard on TV used in an informal setting is a short form of do viđenja, just dzienia. So, saying goodbye in most situations, you would use do viđenja. So, students?
Do viđenja.
Do viđenja.
Do viđenja.
And if you were leaving at night or going to bed?
Laku noć.
Laku noć.
Laku noć.
To say, see you?
Vidimo se.
Vidimo se.
Vidimo se.
And what about see you if you are on the phone?
Čujemo se.
Čujemo se.
Čujemo se.
If you just wanted to say bye?
Pozdrav.
Bok.
Zbogon.
So these will hopefully help you choose some greetings of your own and recognize them when said by others. Thank you for watching. In our next few videos, we will be covering gender and starting on the cases. There will also be some vocabulary recap videos, which are quizzes of 50 words or phrases to help you learn these and build your vocabulary. So please join us next time as we continue on our Croatian journey. Bye for now. Do viđenja.